I know that a lot of you folks are of the hustle culture mentality, and you think that becoming a startup founder or becoming an entrepreneur is a very cool thing to do. Just keep aside that rose tinted romantic lens about becoming an entrepreneur and think about the basic nature of a company owner. What is he or she supposed to do? He is to run a business, so he has to handle the HR, he has to handle the sales, he has to handle the client interaction, he has to handle the product or service, he has to handle the employees. Obviously there's a lot of intermix between these things, and these functions are not really meant to be run by one person. But when you are a company owner, when you're running a business, ultimately the stress coming from all these directions come to you as well, and you have to be an effective person to channelize the stress in a proper way so that your startup ship can keep on sailing. Now you might wonder that why I am making this video. Do I have an answer for you about whether to become a startup founder or not? No, I do not have an answer. I just have few questions that, are you ready for it? Are you cut out for it? And do you really understand what a startup founder does? See, I'm not going to give you answers. I'm just asking you these questions which you must answer. Google it up. Try to understand what does a startup founder do, and you'll understand that a lot of things are pretty boring and pretty mundane. But at the end of the day, if you're able to run that business properly, you will be getting disproportionate return. But that disproportionate return has a very high cost as well. So let's say you are in a regular job, you are just responsible for what you are given, a very small part of a big project in almost all cases. But when you are running your own show, you have to handle everything, at least in the initial stages, and then gradually you can delegate a lot of things, but still the repercussion of those activities will reach you. So you have to have some kind of an understanding that how to manage that, and it requires some kind of a maturity. So you might not be cut out for it at this point of your life. It may be that in 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, or 10 years, or 15 years, you will be ready to become a startup founder. So definitely ask this question a lot of times, that are you ready for it at this juncture of your life to start a company, generate its revenue and earn profits? Because ultimately if you cannot generate revenue for a startup, your startup will not function. And if you are getting revenues, you have to be getting profits as well, because just getting revenues without incurring profits will put a lock on your startup shop. So do have an eye on that as well. I don't want to discourage you about startup culture. Do read about it. And yes, any nation wants that they have a lot of entrepreneurs. But definitely don't get into the entrepreneurship journey without understanding if you are cut out for it at this stage or not.